Alright, so in this video I want to go ahead and import the ceiling real quick. So basically what we have is you'll have a folder or a compressed document. If you extract it, you'll have the mesh and the textures. So let's go ahead and import those. So I'm going to create a new folder, or actually better yet, they'll be compressed into a folder called ceiling. So all you have to do is drag and drop the ceiling folder into your assets folder like so, and just hit import all. Then load up, I can even do it, there we go. Go to textures, load up the mix map. We want to uncheck sRGB, hit save, go back to ceiling, and open up, or better yet, we can delete the ceiling mesh, or the material. Because what we're going to do is we're going to go to our wall, and no, I'm just making flat out, never mind, I'm just doing them all the same way. I guess I should go ahead and make a material instance for these, just to make life a little bit easier. So I'm going to copy the wall material real quick, and I'm going to rename this one to m_asset master. Then the only thing I'm going to do is right click on all these and convert to parameter. Like so. And this one's going to be, bottom one, it's going to be occlusion, rough, metallic. The middle one's going to be normal. And the first one's going to be base color. Save that. Now we can just right click for any future assets, create a material instance, mi_ceiling, and move it into our ceiling. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete the m_ceiling folder. Open up mi_ceiling. Check all three of these textures and simply search for a ceiling. Replace the base color with albedo, normal with normal, and mix map with the mix map. And we can open up our ceiling, go to details, and set the material to be our ceiling. So let's go ahead and save that out. And go to our building visual. We're going to add another building type. This one's going to be our ceiling. What type we need to set up, but the filter character we're going to set as C for ceiling. So if you recall, the reason we're doing that is if we head over to our wall, we have a socket here called CPOS, and we're filtering it with the letter C. So now the only thing we want to do is change the attached socket from wall to our ceiling. So that way we know we need to rotate it by 90 degrees, so it'll sit just like that. So we can save, and then later we'll have mounting points on our ceiling that are going to be for our wall. So everything's going to kind of work together. Okay, let's go ahead and save as, or save everything, and now we are done. So in the next video, we're going to set that up to where we can actually place down the ceilings properly and have the ability to move on from there. So that's going to be all for this video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon down in the description below, where I have a Team Deathmatch series just for Patrons, as well as you get early access to nearly all of my videos. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord that's also linked down below, and I'll try to help you out. So I'll see you in the next one.